Go na go si Jimmy eh, my God. Oh my goodness!
Alam niyo po, ang pogi-pogi-pon ng guest po natin ngayon. Pero, huwag mo kayo masyado mag-expect kasi baka po ma-disappoint kayo. Our guest for today is a handsome, good-looking, attractive, yummy, Mr. Christopher Pereña!
Oh my God, Jollibee! Jollibee! Ang arte! Pogi!
You look so stunning and beautiful today, Raisa. You look so cute.
Thank you. Pero napapabayaan na ako. Mr. Pereña, I've heard that you bought an existing franchise. Is
Yep.
that true?
Yes, that's true. It's a Jollibee.
True?
You know, Raisa, that it's a wonderful. It's a wonderful to run a franchise in Jollibee. For you to better understand, let's watch the video of mine.